how to fix unable to load files in Google Docs error. Welcome everybody. We'll start off by opening up the browser of our choice. In my case, this will be Opera. Now, what we're going to do is in Opera, on the left here, you can see this cogwheel which says settings. So we'll navigate to that, which will open up the Opera settings. And in here, you want to scroll down and until you see security and privacy. And then you see clear browsing data, clear history, cookies, cache, and more. So click that. And in here, you can see clear browsing data. That's exactly what we want to do. Time range, we want to put on all time and not on any of the other ones, so all time. And then you need to clear cached images and files. This is needed. You don't have to clear the other ones because these might, as you can see, signs you out of most sites if you delete cookies and other site data. And browsing history clears history, including the search box. So if you used to open up, I don't know, YouTube by opening up a new tab and entering YOU and then enter, that won't work anymore. Ideally, you would checkmark all of them, click clear data, and you would now have cleared all your browsing data, restart your Opera browser, and your unable to load Google Docs error should be resolved. On Chrome, you'd have to go to the top right corner, click the three dots, go to more tools, and then click clear browsing data, and then do the exact same thing as I did over here. I hope this video could help you out. If it did, please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.